corner country ranch, this 3-bedroom home has plenty of space to spread out in. Located in the Evergreen community behind Lee's store, it is convenient to Clarksville and area boat ramps on Kerr Lake. Spacious kitchen with sliders to the deck. Additions over the years include a family room and a man cave. The corner lot has an extra driveway to the supersized garage's workshop space. Perfect for those with lots of hobbies. Plenty of space to park your fishing boats here. Come and take a look and hook yourself a country bargain. The home needs some TLC, but this is a whole lot of square feet for the price.